I think that my experience in career pathways impacted the way I think about my future career. I'm now thinking a little bit more broadly about what I want to do.
It taught me how to think about academic work that I'm doing now in my PhD program as not self-contained.
The PhD Career Pathways program matches graduate students, PhD students in the arts, humanities, and social sciences with organizations who have scoped project-based internships.
The PhD Pathways Fellowship was really my first professional opportunity that I had to collaborate within a large team, learn about the inner workings of a large organization, and to connect meaningfully with existing and potential community members.
I knew that I still wanted to research after I graduate, but what kind of research? I've done a lot of academic research so far. I wondered about what it looks like in industry if I do the research in industry setting, what kind of impact I can make.
I am very grateful for the cohort-based model here in Pathways, and I don't think that my experience would have been nearly as beneficial as it was by having all the resources that Texas Career Engagement provides.
My Pathways Fellowship, and specifically my site, allowed me to revisit skills that I developed earlier during my PhD program and other coursework, and really allowed me to fine-tune some things that I'd learned that I'd like to take into my future career.
This program is mutually beneficial for both the grad student looking to broaden their scope of experience and to the organization who can really benefit from the specialized skills that graduate students are gaining.
I've had 2 fellows, and the experience with those fellows was really getting an insight into academia, how academia works, and how academia could interface with the types of programs we wanted to provide.
I am expanding my professional network thanks to this opportunity, and I'm meeting with new people and I'm learning about their stories, like what grad program they completed and then what kind of job they have right now and what kind of key responsibilities they are doing.
This internship really highlighted to me the importance of collective work to drive positive change.
The ideal candidate for the PhD Career Pathways program is a graduate student who is open to exploring careers outside of academia.
Students who love what they're learning and love research but know that they don't want to do academia are 100% the type of students who should be applying to this program.
I think if you're flexible and you're excited to test out, the skills that you've developed in your PhD and see how far you can take them, you should definitely consider applying.
I would encourage you to just keep an open mind and be ready to grow in unexpected ways.
If you're interested in challenging yourself, this is the program for you.
I don't think there's anywhere that you can beat what the UT Pathways program provides.